Good day, guys. It's the first day of March, and today is the first day of class. I'm back to school again, and yeah, it's been a while. I've been relaxing too much, but I'm trying to gain back the momentum for school. And yeah, so now I'm heading to Hawthorne right now because yeah, we have face-to-face workshop today. So I might as well go there and know my classmates. That way, when there's a group work, I would know. Also, I haven't been posting anything lately because ever since I got monetized, I was like so careful with my stuff, with my posts, and I realized that I'm not doing anything. So might as well do what I did before, like just vlog. I'll try to do it daily, but I doubt if I can. But yeah, it's more on putting on videos all the time. I was trying to think of quality content, trying to make a really good B-roll or something, or a mini film, but yeah, it's not working. So let's just go back to the start. Okay guys, I need to go. And yeah, for the techie nerds out there, I'm also back with the RX 100 Mark 7. I tried the ZV1, but I don't like the flip screen on the side because it's yeah, the surface area of the camera is wider. I don't like it to be wide. I like it to be like narrow and subtle. But I like the microphone of that. You don't need to put an external microphone. It's a good camera, but I'll stick with this for now. Also, weddings are getting up, so I have a lot of weddings to do. I hope I can vlog some of them. Every time I shoot a wedding, I'm on hands on deck, so I can't do anything more. But yeah. Also, I'll try to use the Osmo Pocket sometimes because it's much easier to record using that. But I really love this camera, but yeah, I'll try that out. Just updates. And yeah, I hope I can cope up with the daily posts with the photography editing on the side, and with schoolwork and research. We'll try. Again, it's March 1, new month. Let's start clean. Yeah. One of the toughest street I've been to. It's so narrow. When a car comes in, you have to stay on the side, just like this one. Yep, stay on the side. So that's it. Oh, nearly hit the car. So I just finished uni and I'm heading to IKEA just to check some stuff. Why is this camera so dark? Yeah, anyway. Epic window cleaning. Yeah, it's cleaned windows now. So I just finished uni and IKEA in Richmond is so near, so I just came here and just got some stuffs. So I'll try to check out some stand table because Laura might need it and I might need it also, but yeah, we'll see how this goes. Yeah, let's go to IKEA. So yeah, I just got home and I just had a shower, and that was a quick one. Went to video guys, bought some stuff. I wasn't able to record because I was busy looking for that thingy-majiggy when I got there. So yeah, not much videos, but yeah, for now this is the first day of March. This is a vlog. I'll try to do a daily, do this stunt. I know it's gonna make things harder for me because yeah, I'm currently back at uni right now, but let's give it a shot. And also at the same time, yeah, I'm gonna go back in and do a lot of work. Oh yeah, I went to Officeworks, got a hard drive for work and everything else, so I'm gonna get things organized. So yeah, and this is just gonna be the end of the vlog till here, and see you again tomorrow. I know, boring life with mine. And yeah, see you again tomorrow. So you're gonna see more of my boring life and everything else. So that's it for today. Bye. Ciao. Ooh, and I'm sorry I don't have a good storyline or anything. It's my first day to be back, I think. Bye guys. Ciao.